All right, let's try a subtraction question with a double whammy. 243 minus 168. Here's one way we can imagine the number 243. We have two hundreds, four tens, and three ones. We want to take away 168. So we start with the ones group. We notice that we can't do 3 minus 8, not possible. So we trade in one of these tens for an equal amount of ones. In other words, instead of 4 tens, we now have 3 tens. Notice that we show this by crossing out the 4 and replacing it with a 3. Now we have 13 ones. We add a little 1 there to show this. Now that our borrowing is done, we can subtract. We have 13 and can take away 8. That leaves us with 5. We write that part of the answer down. Okay, now let's deal with the tens group. We've got 3 minus 6. We can't take 6 away from 3. That's our double whammy, but we know how to handle this. We do the same as before. Just like we can break our loonies into quarters, we're going to break 100 into some tens. To show this, we cross out the 2 in the hundreds group. There's just 1 left there now, because we're going to carry that over to our tens. Now we have 10 tens with these 3 tens, and that makes 13 tens altogether. We put a little 1 in front of the 3, so we can see that we now have 13 in the tens column. The borrowing's done now, so we can subtract. What's 13 minus 6? Looks like 7. Write that part of the answer down. Okay, final step, the hundreds column. We do 1 minus 1. We're left with nothing in this column, 0. I'm not going to bother writing a 0 here because 075 is the same as 75. It's not a necessary 0. It's not incorrect, we just don't tend to write numbers that way. So there we have it. Our answer is 75. If you can do this, you can do almost any subtraction problem that comes your way. Even if you have to borrow 3 times or 4 times, you always follow the exact same steps. It just takes a lot of practice for it to start to feel natural and easy. Take the time to put in the practice. It'll pay off down the road.